Welcome to your local SEO dashboard. With nearly half of all online searches seeking local info, having a strong online presence is crucial for your local business. Our software helps you easily track your local SEO, so customers can find you effortlessly, whether they're searching for your address, website, or holiday hours. When you first log in, you'll land on the overview page. This shows a snapshot of your keyword ranking, listing score, and sync status. First stop, the Business Profile tab. This is your go-to place for updating essential details. Make sure your business name, address, phone number, and website are all correct. If you're a service area business, you can specify the regions you serve. Keep this info up to date. Moving on to the Hours tab. Here you can set your regular and special hours. Got delivery or drive-through options? Add those under More Hours. Once you've filled out your profile, make it a habit to update it whenever something changes. Next up, the Listing Sync tab. This is your command center for managing your business listings on major platforms like Google, Facebook, Bing, and Apple Maps. Need clarity on syncing statuses? Hover over them to get a quick explanation. The Additional Sources table features niche platforms that can further boost your presence. Now, let's talk about the Keyword Tracking tab. This feature lets you see where your business ranks in local searches. Add your keywords. Track their ranking over time. And even view your average rank in different areas on a local grid. Onto citations. A citation is any online mention of your business. The more you have, the better your local SEO. Our software helps you track citation growth and even dive into individual mentions. Lastly, the Google Insights tab. Here you can see what keywords customers are using to find you and how they interact with your listing. It's a goldmine of data to refine your SEO strategy. And there you have it, a quick tour of our local SEO software. Remember, the key to success is keeping your business profile updated. Have fun getting found online.